In this video, we'll cover what to look for in a surface area to give you your best iron-on results, and we'll cover how to prep your workspace. To set yourself up for success, look for a firm, flat, and solid surface. It must also be heat resistant, like a wooden craft table or a marble top kitchen island. Definitely avoid flimsy plastic tables, varnished surfaces, or unsteady ironing boards. Those give you the worst results. Next, protect your surface by using a pressing mat beneath your project. Cricut has created 3 mats to perfectly pair with each Easy Press 2. Of course, always use a mat that is equal or bigger in size than the machine you're using. If you don't have a pressing mat yet, use a fluffy towel folded in half and in half again. Avoid any areas with seams, decorative ribbing, or stitching. Again, the idea here is to make sure your heat plate is pressing into as flat a surface as possible. Okay, now that we're prepped and ready, we can talk iron-on, or as some call it, heat transfer vinyl, which is exactly what we'll do in the very next video. See you there.